Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you have ever wondered how someone become a business intelligence developer, or if you are trying to break into this field yourself, this video is for you. Today I'm not teaching Qlik Sense or Power BI. I am sharing my personal journey. I will talk about where I started, the mistakes I made, what I learned, and what I would do differently if I had to start all over again. My hope is that by the end of this video, you will have a much clearer roadmap than I did when I started. Okay? Before I tell you my story, okay? Before I do that, let's answer an important question. Why business intelligence? Why now? We hear so much about AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and software engineering all the time. But business intelligence quietly powers almost every organization. Okay? It powers almost every organization. Every company that you see out there collect data. All right? America depend on data than oil. The challenge is not collecting it. It is making sense of it. That's where BI professional comes in. We help organizations answer questions, improve operations, and make better decisions. That's why demand for BI continues to grow. Now, let me tell you how my own journey started. By the end of this presentation, you understand how I built my career, which skills mattered most, the mistakes I made, what employers are really looking for, and the roadmap I will recommend if you are starting today. I've been working in business intelligence and analytics for more than 10 years. During that time, I have built dashboard, worked with different organizations, supported business leaders, and helped teams make better decisions using data. But none of that happened overnight, guys. I started exactly where many people watching this video are today. One mistake I never make was trying to learn everything at once. I focus on one skill at a time. I started with Excel first, then SQL, then reporting. Eventually, I learned Qlik Sense and Power BI. Every new skill built on every new skill built on previous one. Looking back, my career happened in stages. First came curiosity, then learning, then first opportunity. After that came larger enterprise project. Even today, I'm still learning because technology never stands still. Technology changes, problem solving does not. That single lesson completely changed how I approach my career. One thing new BI developer often misunderstand is this: dashboard don't come first. The business problem comes first. Every successful dashboard I have ever built started with conversation, understanding requirement, understanding people, then the data, and finally the dashboard. When I started, I thought I needed to master every BI tool. I thought certificate were everything. I thought interviews were the hardest part. I eventually realized something very different. Employers don't hire software, they hire people who solve problems. If I lost everything tomorrow and I had to start again, this is exactly the path I will follow. Excel, SQL, Power BI or Qlik, whatever BI tool. I'll build project, create portfolio, practice interview. You don't need 3 years. You need 90 focus days. That's what you need. Okay. Spend the first month building your foundation. The second one, building project. The third month, preparing yourself for opportunities. That's enough to completely change the direction of your career, guys. Let's look at a real example. This help desk dashboard is not valuable because it has colorful chart. It is valuable because it answers business questions, guys. Managers immediately know how many tickets are open, which teams are overloaded, and which priorities require attention. That's what business intelligence is all about, guys. Helping people make better decisions. If you remember only three things from today's presentation: learn the fundamentals, build project, solve business problem, everything else becomes easier. I hope my journey has shown you that becoming a business intelligent developer is not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about studying, curious, staying curious, guys. It's about staying curious, continuing to learn, and consistently solving problems. If this video helped you, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to Kabibi Network. I share practical videos on Qlik Sense, Power BI, SQL, business intelligence, careers, and real world projects to help you grow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.